some food at the Mexican restaurant because I have this certificate I got, so we don't have to pay any money. And then maybe we'll just keep it in the car and then we'll go eat it at EL Valley because you haven't gone to EL Valley yet, right?
No, not yet, and I'm so excited.
God, you see that?
What happened?
Oh my God.
I missed it because
He was like washing down a whole pig they just killed. Yuck. Oh God.
today's Saturday, September the 3rd, 2011.
Morning.
Wave, Gabby. I said, what are you eating? Candy? Oh, you love it? All right. Let me see. I don't know what that is. Let me see. Maybe I can get some when we get home. Oh, really? Okay, I'll check it out.